Hello everyone, welcome to Cert GOAT. Today's burning question is, how to cheat on PSI exams. Is it even possible to bypass the PSI Secure browser without getting caught? In this video, we'll explore a technical way of bypassing the PSI Secure browser that has sparked much curiosity in 2025. What is the PSI Secure browser and how does it work? The PSI Secure browser is designed to prevent cheating during online exams. It uses advanced lockdown technology, communication security, and encryption to ensure test takers can't open additional windows or programs. On top of that, it protects your personal information. How are PSI tests proctored? PSI exams are closely monitored by a proctor who observes test takers through their device's webcam and microphone in real time. This setup recreates the experience of an in-person test center, making it difficult to cheat during PSI proctored exams. Is it possible to cheat on the PSI Secure browser? While PSI employs strict security measures, including blocking unwanted apps and programs, technical experts have found ways to bypass these systems. This includes PSI hacks and online PSI exam hacks, making cheating technically possible despite the secure browser's precautions. How to cheat on PSI exams using the secure browser? The method commonly used is called the technical expert approach. Here's how it works. Custom software is installed on the test taker's device. This software remains undetectable by the PSI Secure browser, allowing a technical expert to assist during the exam. The test taker appears to be taking the test, while the expert completes it on their behalf. Proof of bypassing the PSI Secure browser. During security checks, the PSI Secure browser asks to close unwanted apps or programs. However, the custom software installed by technical experts cannot be detected or terminated. If you ask, we will provide you the proofs of bypassing the PSI browser. Need help? If you're looking for technical expertise to bypass the PSI Secure browser or need assistance with your PSI exams, reach out to us. Email certgoat@gmail.com website. certgoat.com, check out the student help request form linked in the description for a smooth experience. Cert GOAT is here to help make your academic journey easier. Thank you for watching, and let's make your exams stress-free together.